kayo.
Katong sa bag ita tugaw.
Yung bag ito. Pila ti ayuda. Ayan na ngayon ni Johanny.
Panagpila dyan, dapat agalat snack tayo. Awan nalak na snack.
Ay, ni Johanny?
Uy, nakita ko dyan nga nakapila ko na po. Mga lakat snack tayo.
Kapan man nun nagipila ti ayuda, oh, nagad-aduda ijay. Oh, ayan, nagada ijay. Ito yung mga foods namin. We are at Kings Park. Makipil-pila. Ayan na, ito ko ah.
Awang kanu ta masakro. Ay, dataman ni.
Diyan is na.
JMC leader ko nung pan mangala.
Ako yun na kami nakaala.
Aan, hindi ada kami JMC leader imbaga kan namin nga JMC leader kan.
Anak lang gawin ko.
Imbaga garo ko nakaawan. JMC leader ko nung pan mangala.
Pagbaga din. Diyan, nung nakaala kanila ta.
Is napanak garod. Kat ko na nga mapangkuala ko ng JMC leader ko.
This is Kings Park.
Anak gaminti.
We are having a...
Anak gaminti.
Si sister, oh. Okay. We've been lining up for 3 days. Ayuda sa Kings Park, North Point. Lunch and merienda.
Wala akong water. Joy! Wala akong water. Water.
Compare. She's good.
Picture is live. Yan. Excited na ko, famous. Ready tayo. We are at the park. Sa Kings Park. Lunchtime on the third day of the conference. Of course, we have free foods and snacks. Yun po yung ating pinipilahan na ayuda dyan. Because we paid for it. That's part of the registration. So, yun ayuda ha, binayaran namin. Ayuda in short. But actually we paid for that. Okay? So turn around tayo. You can see at my back, maraming mga Pilipino dyan. Nag-picture taking. Na-meet nila yung mga friends nila na nagtatrabaho din. Okay? 3D tayo. Ayan. The food is very good. Satisfying. And the conference as well. Everybody happy. Yan. Okay, yan. Kami ng mga igorots dyan. Kababayan. Kababayang taga-Baguio. So these are the some of them, they are real missionaries and others are deciding to be a missionary. This is a conference, a church conference. International. Hindi isang church to. Different churches, different organizations. Meeting in Hong Kong. Maybe next year, ewan ko saan kasi walang announcement. And we will be there. Are you ready? For me, I am ready to go. See you there.